Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. So in example 2, what we have here is a claim, and it's a claim of less than. So let me rewrite it. In this case, no need of square rooting any values. It's already in technically standard form. So the claim, it's going to be that sigma, it's less than 696. And then let's actually state HO and HA, which is going to give us that HO, the values of sigma are equal to 696. H1, it's going to be that, well, sigma is less than 696. And we're dealing with a left tail test since the claim is of less than. So let's take a look at the actual critical value. And for the critical value, we're going to be using alpha to be 0.05, which means that C is equal to 0.95. N is equal to 25, so degrees of freedom are 24. So that means that we're going to be taking a look at the following chi-square table. The distribution. And in this case, because it's a left tail test, our value is going to be here. So this is going to be the position of the chi-square value. The shading portion, it's going to be as follows. So this is 0.05. The not shaded would be 0.95. So when we look at the chart, we're going to be looking at a chi-square value that has 24 degrees of freedom and 0.95 area to the right. So let me turn to the chart. So 24, 0.95, it's going to be here. So this one's going to be 13.848. So this particular chi-square value has 24 degrees of freedom and 0.95 area to the right. Let me double check. 95 and 24 degrees of freedom. So 24.95, it's here. 13.848. So in this case, I'm just going to rewrite it as the chi-square value, it's 13.848. So the critical value, it's approximately 13.848. I'm just rewriting it because it's very easy to mess it up with the test statistic. In this case, we're not rewriting it as left or right. I mean, you could rewrite it as the one on the left, but technically there's no one on the right, so you only have one. Next order of business is, let's take a look at the actual test statistic. So the test statistic, it's going to be a chi-square value. That's going to be n minus 1 times the values of s squared over, and it uses sigma. So we're using sigma squared. So it's going to have sigma squared and then in this case, the values are given on the top. So we're going to have 24. S is 645 squared over 696. In this case, we are going to have the squared, unlike the previous problem, so that our chi-square value ends up being the following. So 24 times 645 and then divided by sigma squared 696. I'm getting that this is 20.6116. I'm just rounding to 4 decimal places, and that's gonna be somewhere here. So let me just rewrite it as the test statistic, and I'll check the answer again. Test statistic, chi-square value approximately 20.6116. So 24,645 squared and then 696 squared. Let me double check the formula, but we're good. S squared. Okay, so since it actually happens to be around here, we're gonna fail to reject HO. So our main conclusion would be fail to reject HO. And you can just say because the test statistic of chi-square value of approximately 20.616 is greater than the critical value of chi-square value approximately 13.848 using alpha, and I believe alpha is 0.05. Okay, so that's actually it. We'll do one with the at least with the p-value, but most of these, because we don't have the shortcut, it's just easier for us using the calculator just to do the classical approach. That's actually it for this particular problem.